Home fashion, much like clothes, change, and sometimes on a daily basis. That's why it's good to keep in touch with the styles and trends and what you should be doing for your next remodeling project. Hi, I'm Vinny Verga, and I'm here with Floors Uncovered. Before we jump into all these exciting remodeling tips, don't forget to like our video and subscribe below for even more great content. We put out a new video each and every week. Sometimes the only thing that's tighter than your budget is your schedule. You have a look and something that you want to do. Maybe there's an event coming up and you just don't have a lot of time to get it done. Well, new cabinets are nice, but they are time consuming because you have to wait for them to come in. So if you're looking for a quick fix to your kitchen, here's a few tips that can take you just a weekend. Number 1, a new backsplash. Backsplash is an important part of the kitchen. It tends to be at eye level when you're looking in the room. So what it is often ties in your countertops, your cabinets, and maybe the whole room. Changing this can create a really new, unique style, and therefore create a new pop to an area that everything else has stayed the same in. So backsplashes are great because a lot of times you can find stock locally or you can get it ordered in relatively quickly. And there's so many different styles, from larger tiles to smaller mosaics to glass to stone. There's a lot of different looks that you can accomplish, and you can do it on a budget. Number 2, cabinet doors and handles. While ordering brand new cabinets can't be accomplished in just a weekend, you can repaint your cabinets. There's a lot of great resources for doing that, and you should look online to learn more about it. Sometimes painting your cabinets can give it a fresh look. So take the same color and just put a new coat on it to make it pop, or do another color to change the look of the room entirely. In addition to that, you can do new handles. Keep the same paint, especially if they're newer cabinets, but just change the hardware. That can also create a different look as you add a different accent to the cabinets, thus changing it maybe from a contemporary to a more classic style, or even changing within style just to give it some freshness. Number 3, regrout existing tile. A lot of kitchens in the United States have porcelain or ceramic tile floors, and with tile comes grout. I bet you didn't know that you can actually regrout an existing tile floor, whether that's adding an applicant to seal the surface and change the color, or simply taking the grout out and putting new grout in. It's a way to change the look of the room. Maybe you went with a lighter grout this first time and you go with a darker grout to create a more intimate look, or vice versa to really brighten up the space and open it up. This subtle change can really make a big difference because the tiles over the course of the entire floor, and therefore you're changing the overall tone of the room. Number 4, give your floors a deep cleaning. When I say give your floors a deep cleaning, I don't mean just, taking the mop and running it over a couple times, because hopefully you're doing that on a regular basis. What I mean is actually hiring a certified professional to come in and do a professional cleaning. In fact, most warranties aren't backed if you don't have someone certified cleaning your floor at least once a year. So this is a perfect excuse to have someone come in and give it a fresh look. If it's hardwood, maybe they refinish it while they're there cleaning it to give it a fresh coat. If it's vinyl plank, maybe they're scrubbing out any stains that are in the surface. And if it's tile, again, maybe they're just cleaning it and getting it to look nice. And you can combine that with some of the other tips like regrouting, just to give it a really nice look so that it almost looks like the product is new. So a really good clean is like a great clean for your car, like a great car wash. When it gets done, it looks like it's brand new. Well, I hope today's 4 tips help you with your next remodeling project. But we have one question for you. Comment below and let us know, what of these 4 tips are you most likely to use in your home?